These plantations are the biological starting point, where dense banana pseudostems grow under controlled irrigation to feed industrial-scale production. Stem thickness and fiber maturity are measured directly in the field to determine when each plant is ready for harvest. Once tagged, these stems are scheduled for immediate removal to preserve fiber integrity. Each cut is made low and controlled, allowing the full pseudostem to be recovered intact. Staging on-site reduces contamination before the stems ever leave the field. Hydraulic handling minimizes fiber damage while accelerating field removal. Once loaded, stems move immediately toward centralized collection points. This yard acts as the first consolidation point between farm and factory. Each load is weighed to track yield and transport efficiency. From here, material flow becomes fully mechanized. Only structurally sound stems proceed toward processing. Damaged material is separated early to protect downstream equipment. This is the final step before long-haul transport. Securing the load prevents fiber shift during transit. With harvesting complete, the industrial journey moves off the farm. Transit time is minimized to preserve material condition. The raw material now reaches its processing destination. Every delivery is logged before entering production zones. Precise positioning ensures a continuous intake flow. This transfer marks the shift from agriculture to industrial processing. Inside, conditions are stabilized for processing. Material flow is synchronized before washing begins. High-pressure washing removes soil and organic residue. Excess moisture is stripped away to stabilize processing. Uniform sizing ensures downstream efficiency. Each piece is digitally verified before fiber separation. This is where structure begins to transform. Mechanical action separates usable fiber from core material. The material is now fully inside the factory workflow. Here, raw fibers enter the heart of the processing facility, where consistency becomes critical. Rotating drums further break down fibers into uniform strands. Precision sensors regulate fiber thickness before further treatment. Any excess material is removed to maintain uniform quality. Moisture is carefully reintroduced to prepare fibers for mechanical handling. Compression aligns fibers and stabilizes density. The material is elevated to maintain a continuous gravity-assisted flow. Cooling stabilizes fibers before downstream processing. Automated vision systems check surface consistency in real time. Minor defects are removed without interrupting the main flow. Prepared fibers are now ready for controlled size reduction. Shredding creates uniform fiber lengths for blending. Screens separate fibers by size to maintain consistency. Byproducts are captured for secondary industrial use. Blending ensures uniform fiber distribution. Density checks confirm readiness for next stage processing. Buffer storage keeps production flowing without interruption. Material is released precisely as needed downstream. Alignment prepares fibers for final preparation stages. This checkpoint confirms fibers meet processing standards. The material now moves toward transformation. Fibers are integrated into the broader production flow. Precise measurement ensures formulation accuracy. The flow continues without exposure or interruption. This hall marks the start of material transformation. Mixing begins under tightly controlled conditions. Speed adjustments fine-tune texture development. The batch is now ready to move forward. The refined banana fibers now enter the final preparation stage. Alignment ensures consistent strength across every strand. Final surface cleaning prepares fibers for industrial use. Moisture balance protects fiber flexibility and durability. Calibration locks in precise dimensional standards. Individual strands are organized into transport-ready bundles. Each bundle is checked for uniform strength and form. Protective wrapping preserves fiber quality during handling. Traceability is applied at the final stage. Bundles are consolidated into shipping units. Pallets organize production output for logistics. Wrapping secures the fiber for transport. Finished fiber is staged for global distribution. The industrial journey leaves the factory floor.